Mastering the subtle dance of influence and persuasion. In a world where communication is key, the ability to persuade effectively can be a game changer in both personal and professional spheres. But what makes some messages more persuasive than others? This insightful piece explores the psychological underpinnings of persuasive communication, drawing from established theories and practical examples. Delving into persuasion theories. The Principles of Influence by Robert Cialdini. Reciprocity, the obligation to give back what you have received. Commitment and consistency, the desire to align with our past commitments and behaviors. Social proof, the tendency to see an action as more appropriate when others are doing it. Authority, the likelihood of following the lead of an authority figure. Liking, the tendency to agree with people we like and admire. Scarcity, the perception that something is more valuable when it is less available. The role of emotion in persuasion. Emotions play a critical role in persuasion. Effective communicators tap into emotions to make their message more compelling. Narrative persuasion. Stories and anecdotes are powerful tools for persuasion. They can create a personal connection and make the message more relatable and memorable. Communication strategies for effective persuasion. 1. Building rapport and trust. Establishing a connection and gaining the audience's trust are foundational for effective persuasion. 2. Using clear, concise language. Simplicity in communication is key. Clear and concise messages are more likely to be understood and remembered. Through the power of non-verbal communication. Body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice significantly impact how messages are received. 4. Active listening. Persuasion is a two-way street. Active listening helps in understanding the audience's perspective and addressing their concerns. Real-world examples of persuasive communication. 1. Advertising campaigns. Analyzing successful advertising campaigns that have utilized these psychological techniques effectively. 2. Political speeches. How politicians use persuasive communication to influence public opinion and garner support. 3. Business negotiations. The application of these techniques in successful business negotiations and deal-making. The ethical use of persuasion. The art of persuasion, when used ethically, can lead to positive outcomes in various aspects of life. It's about understanding the psychological makeup of your audience, connecting with them on an emotional level, and communicating your message in a clear, compelling manner. By mastering these techniques, You can enhance your influence and effectively convey your ideas, making every interaction count.